Excel has a quick access bar where you can add things yourself that you do often. Let's see how to do this. If you have a look right at the top of your screen, you'll see something that looks like this. It's got a file and a little down arrow. This is the quick access bar. You can decide exactly what you show there. So for instance, if I've typed a mistake somewhere or I've overtyped it and I press enter by accident, I know that there's a redo button, but I would like to add it to the bar so I can easily click it. What you do is you go to this quick access bar and you click on the down arrow. It gives you a whole lot of options. Currently it only has save, but let's do a redo and undo and a redo. So now, for instance, if I accidentally type in an A and I press enter, I can click on the undo typing A. See, it even tells you in the drop-down list what it's going to do, and it fixes it for me. If I undo it and then I want to redo it, I can hit the redo button and it'll redo what I've done. Two useful buttons to have. If we just press, now I've got to undo that. What else would be useful? If you're going to print a document, you normally have to go to File, Print, and then decide what you want to do. We could also just add it to our quick access bar if you print often. Click on the down arrow, click on Print Preview and Print. Can you see there's a new icon that's popped up here? Now you can just click here and it takes you directly to your printing. But everything on this quick access toolbar, you decide. I like to check spelling because I can't spell, so I add that on there. And there's a spell checker. If you want to add a command that isn't available, they're obviously trying to decide which are the most used, you can click on More Commands. Here you will get every single thing available in Excel. Perhaps you want to choose your font color, for instance, and you do this very often. You click on font color, you find the command you want in this table, you add it. Here you can see the other ones, and you say OK. Now there's your font color, which is identical to the font color down here, but you can just click there and up there. If you want to remove this because you added it just because you were playing, once again, click on the down arrow, click on More Commands, click on the font color, and then click on Remove It, and click OK. Once you get used to using this and putting the commands you use most often up here, you'll find it is an absolute invaluable time saver.